Hey, today is Saturday, October 29th. October 29th, just a couple days before Halloween. I want to show you something interesting. This is what it looks like. No, we're not in Alaska. We're in New Jersey. New Jersey. Blizzard conditions. Kind of slippery. Let's take a little walk. This is Main Street, Butler. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Two o'clock in the afternoon on the Saturday before Halloween.
Are closed due to the snowstorm. Unfortunately, for safety reasons, we have decided to cancel all paintball events for Sunday, October 30th. The U.S. Weather Service is forecasting accumulation.
Now here's part of the aftermath here. The day after. Here's my car. It's so beautiful, isn't it? The snow. You folks down south, you don't really get to enjoy there you go. So much for my ice scraper. This is what happens when you get shit made in Japan or China. China. Now what? The primitive way, caveman style. I'd say we got, that looks like a good 7-8 inches of snow maybe. This is what you're going to see a lot of people shoveling out, digging out. Roads are still icy. People digging out. Remember what it was like? It's a winter wonderland in October. Come Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Okay, it's day 2 after the storm. Today is Halloween. It's Halloween afternoon. It's warmed up. It's 53. But I just received some intel that the main road that leads to the paintball field, Macapin Road, is down to 1 lane, partly impassable because of how many trees have fallen on the road. I'm going to go do some recon on that because I'm supposed to meet Richie up there on Wednesday to make sure that the field is ready to open. We got a group coming up Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, here we are going up Macapin Road. It doesn't look too bad. It's probably a lot worse yesterday. I haven't seen any blockages yet. Okay, we're climbing up probably at about 700 feet above sea level now. This is usually the snow line. I've got some low wires there. This is usually when the snow really gets bad. Camp Vacamus coming up on the right. It doesn't look that bad. I don't know, maybe we bit the bullet. We got about 300 feet more in elevation before we get to the field. Coming up on the left here, you'll see the world famous Macapin Pizza. Best pizza in the world, right there. Making a right onto Weaver Road, which is the road that the paintball field is on. Oh, there's a leaner. The entrance to the field is blocked. We're gonna dig, or we'll have to dig our way through that. It's blocked real good too. That's the entrance to the field. So you can see we got some work to do there. There's no getting in there yet. Okay, well here you go. This is what they're talking about. It's a roadblock. Weaver Road. That's got to be fixed because some people come up that way. So that's out. All right, we'll see what's going to happen on. Looking into the paintball field woods now. See, there's quite a bit of snow in there. Coming up on our entrance again. It's right here after this little sign. And there you go. No way in there right now. Nope.